The U.S. Supreme Court today making a major move on same-sex marriage.
The court declined to take up the issue of whether same-sex marriage is constitutional, but that leaves lower court decisions standing, and that means more states today ended their bans on marrying gays and lesbians. Steve Handelsman has the story.
Enjoying my life.
In Arlington, Virginia, just 5 hours after the Supreme Court allowed it, Erica Turner and Jennifer Millsop got married. Today's move by the High Court was a surprise, allowing to stand 3 lower court rulings that legalized same-sex marriage in Virginia, Utah, Indiana, Wisconsin, and Oklahoma. That ended the ban in 6 more states. So gay marriage is legal in 30 states and the District of Columbia. Opponents charge liberal justices hope to change public opinion with a wave of weddings.
More states in which same-sex couples are actually receiving marriage licenses in the hope that that will reduce resistance to this idea.
Backers of marriage equality are celebrating.
This is the outcome that we have hoped for.
The new Virginia marriage licenses were ready.
Now instead of saying bride and groom, it says spouse and spouse.
Some activists wanted the High Court to rule any gay marriage ban unconstitutional. But many, like Richard Rosendahl, are happy with how fast the court and the nation seem headed that way.
For a lot of people, including those of us that have been pushing for marriage equality, we practically have whiplash. It is so quick.
You are joined in marriage as wife and wife.
And for Erica and Jennifer, so welcome. I'm Steve Handelsman, NBC News, Washington.
Senator Ted Cruz was quick to react to today's developments. The Texas Republican released a statement calling the Supreme Court's actions, quote, tragic and indefensible. He also said this is judicial activism at its worst. Cruz also announced he will introduce a constitutional amendment to prevent the federal government or the courts from striking down state marriage laws. 2
women from Austin are calling on a federal court to speed up their case challenging the Texas ban on same-sex marriage. Nicole Demetman and Cleopatra De Leon were married in Massachusetts, but the state of Texas does not recognize their union. The women are asking the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals to hear the appeal as early as possible.